My beautiful and amazing people, hey, wonders dey say e shall never end o. Where una dey? Make una come out o, make una come hear update. Omo, the truth talk am say life fit travel, but when the truth come, all the journey wey dem don do so far go just be like say nothing at all. Una know talk say Ipa na grand patron for AGN, which is Actors Guild of Nigeria. Omo, dem don comot am o. The God of Regina Daniel is indeed a God of miraculous miracle. He is a God of last minute. He remained the same yesterday, today, and forever. My people, carry your chair come o, make una come hear wetin sup between the Actors Guild of Nigeria chairman and Ipa. Omo, no be small thing. Now, according to the information, they dey allege say Ipa meet the new chairman wey be Abubakar Yakubu that he should suspend Reji from every activities of the guild. Na im dey say Abubakar Yakubu say no now, say why im go suspend her when she no violate their laws, their rules and regulation. She never do anything at all. Una know say the former chairman, him and Ipa na 5 and 6. Na even him na him carry appointment give Ipa, say him be grand patron. Anytime wey be say dem get anything for AGN, they dey always go meet am with wine, give am placard, give am this, give am that. Him go come now support. And who carry am come? Na Mama Reji na him carry am come o. Na she let them know, talk say her son-in-law is a good person and him get the interest of the guild at heart. So make dem go meet am, talk to am, invite am and give am a grand patron so that him go dey support them every now and then, of which they agree, they accept, and they gave him the grand patron. So as we dey talk, the matter dey go, dey talk and dey come. Na so na Mama Regina na im introduce am o. All of a sudden now, e don turn everything upside down, turn against Mama Regina Daniel. Come carry the guild for head as if na him on his own bin go there before. Not knowing say na Mama Reji na him introduce am, na him do everything. Una remember when the whole thing sup between Mama Reji and the Ipa, when Regina come talk say in Ned Woko's house. Remember when the former chairman wey be Emeka Rollas come out come talk say and dem dey for campaign o, they dey do election that time o, wey be say dem don already promise Mama Reji say they go give her the president of the AGN based on say she don pay her dues. She don do so many things to deserve that seat. She has been there, na OG na she be. She deserve that seat. Everybody confirm am. Only for Regina to comot finish. The former chairman wey be say na Mama Regina wan come take over am, just come talk say say at this point in time, they need to keep emotion one corner. Make Mama Regina go take care of her daughter. Say wetin Ipa talk na true. They don get 1 or 2 encounter where Reji dey take all those things wey Ipa allege. Say make she go take care of her daughter. Say no be now be the time wey she go come dey fight for seat. Say make she fight for her daughter's life first. Na that one na im suppose be her utmost priority and not the other way round. Now people come dey say even if you want to even correct that girl by coming to attest and confirm to wetin Ipa talk, shows that you are a bad person. Because if na your pikin, you go come out come talk that kind thing. No be to stand for your pikin first. If your pikin don get ground, before you go come now stand up, come get mouth to talk. But no, you just comot from nowhere, wan come dey do some kind things. E really make sense like that? E no make sense o. At all, e no make sense. So as people drag am enter house, im come dey realize im mistake, even though e never realize am finish. When they can't do election, when na Okowa can't win, where Ipa can't they cry out, they talk say they do an OPC, they do an this, they do an that. Now in come out, come talk say Ipa too, they do like small picking. Say no be Okowa, now carry the seat, give and say make him do. Say why he won't come turn, he won't come change mouth. This one down and now say, say if friendship wey una dey do na based on wetin una stand to gain, that kind friendship e no fit ever last. E no go fit ever last. Na from one drama or the other na e go always be. Na im be this one. So as e be say the friendship no be what God ordained, definitely comma must dey am. Na im be this so. So as dem talk that one go, talk am come, everybody enter house. Na im dey say Ipa come go meet Yakubu Abubakar say make dem suspend Reji from acting. Na im dey say that one say lie lie o. He no go fit do that one. He fit do any other thing, but for the fact say she no violate their rules, he no go against am. Na him o, as he dey try push by force, come even dey say if na money, this, that. Allegedly, according to the story, say even na money him go pay. The man say he no go fit. So after they sit down, they check and go, check and come. E be like say the man now don go report to the upper body, the AGM upper body. Na dem come sit down talk am. Omo, na so from nowhere, na dem send letter to Ipa saying that from now he is no longer their grand patron, that they really appreciated all the services to humanity, all he has done for AGN and so on and so forth, that they really appreciate him, that they want to give it to someone else. So from now, he should just forget about being the grand patron. Na him dey say Ipa come dey ask say they should forget being the grand patron. On a norm sef, some people sef go happy say they don comot them for grand patron. They should be happy. But because he was using it before for his own benefit, he was using it to enter them to fit get to Regina Dani and im family. Na him cause all these things. Because if no be like that, make it make sense. Why are you now going behind to tell them to say, make dem comot Regina Daniel, make dem suspend her, make dem do this because of say una no dey again. You wan use that power to take oppress her. You wan use the power. Na the same thing wey dey happen wey be say people dey talk and say Nigeria and their system of operation is always somehow. Nigeria and its drama is always somehow. No, nothing like say na my right again. Nothing like say this is the right thing to do, let me do it. Always using power, political power to oppress people wey you know say you pass, which is very, very bad and is not even supposed to be at all at all. Oppressing the poor is not even supposed to be, and Regina is not even poor. Imagine say person no come get at all, wetin go come happen? Then the man stand o, he insist as dey carry am go upper body, because if dem no comot am now, as time goes on, if he carry one big person come tomorrow say make dem comot the person. So it is high time make dem comot am for make dem remove am, make dem ban am before it is too late. Una don see am say the God of Regina Daniel is truly at work. Yes o, her God is truly at work. Person wey carry you come, you don do your manipulation, you don do, make dem no give her the position wey dem suppose give her again. Dem carry am give another person. You manipulate finish, she no become the chairman, which is the mother. As if that was not enough, you come dey come again say make dem collect the one wey remain, wey the girl dey take see front. Una know say Regina bin talk am say na just the 1% puzzle wey remain in her life, na im be this one to come dey shoot film back to back. Na the only puzzle wey she get left. So if you wan come ban her so that she no go come dey act film, because if they ban you, you no go dey act with your fellow colleague. Any of your colleague wey you call, wey be Actors Guild of Nigeria, they will not want to come, because if they come, they are violating the law and they can go with you on that regard. So you wan come do that one so that she will come dey all alone, and you know say virtually all of them wey be colleague dem dey for the Actors Guild. So how she wan come take shoot the film without her people, without her colleagues? She no fit do am. Film no be wetin only you go fit do. You go need others. Na coming together, collaboration and all, na you go take achieve am. So if you come collect dat one from her hand, wetin you go stand to gain? So e be like sey Ipatu he never saw it coming. He never believe that because him already feel am sey na him dey support dem na. Anytime wey dey get any program, dey go come meet am as grand patron, discuss how the program is going to look like, how much they are looking up to, how much they want to contribute and all. Him go contribute him own quota. So meaning na dem even suppose dey cry sey Ipa leave dem because na their highest bidder, na their highest donor. But they no even mind. They say they no want am as grand patron again. Make him carry him money dey go, because imagine say he don start like this. As time goes on now, one fateful day, if he just come wake up, come talk say he no want her like that. No be juju be that. Imagine person wey dey come now, come fight person wey no fight am. On a very good day, sure say that one no go come talk wetin no dey book. My people, na him be this o. I say this one, e really sweet me for my body. Na God of Regina na him dey do this one so. And God of the mother wey no fight her fight. Because during that time, people just dey talk. When they no gree give her the appointment, they carry am give Yakubu. People just dey talk say make she no gree, make she carry the matter go court. They don already talk am say na her turn, Emiloko, na her turn, make she no gree, make she carry the matter forward, make she do this, make she do that. Thank God say she no even bother herself. Thank God say she no even carry matter for her head. Thank God say she no reason am. She just dey her day. My people, if not, e for be for her enemy. But thank God. My people, na the matter be this one. I say make I suffer drop am for una as e dey hot. What are your take? What do you think? Do you think he deserve this, or na the best thing ever? Because him ma dey enjoy from the process. Because according to Regina that time, say na dem as him be their grand patron, na there they go carry all these small girls wey wan become actress by fire by force. They pack and they come they give Ipa. That time wey Regina allege say na wetin they come do be that. Say they go carry small girls come they pack, they give am. Na him make him head they swell up. They see and say with or without Regina or anybody to marry small girls no go hard, because of say the former AGM president they always pack girls they come they give am. So you see, every tenor get im own. Everything wey get beginning must surely have an end. And at the end of Ipa, na im be this one so. My people, na the matter be this one. Make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl gifted gist. I'm the bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.